Good morning, children. Children, in last video you have finished with the concept of conversion. And what you have finished? Yes, converting days into hours and hours into minutes. Now children, in this video we'll be doing the concept of AM and PM. As you all know that there are 24 hours in one day. How many hours in one day? 24 hours in one day. And children, these 24 hours are divided into two parts. For 12 hours we use AM and for another 12 hours we use PM. So children, AM is used for morning times and PM is used for evening times. Now, just remember few points, that is 12 midnight to 12 noon is AM. That is, most of the time you are sleeping. At 12 midnight you are sleeping, 1 AM you are sleeping, 2 AM you are sleeping. I think that till 6 AM you are sleeping. Now then we have 12 noon to 12 midnight, that is PM. And we don't use AM or PM with 12. We say 12 noon or 12 midnight. So we do not use AM or PM with 12. Just keep this thing in mind. This is very important. Now children, let's do worksheet 5. Let's read question number 1. Write what you were doing yesterday at the following time. Yesterday means not today. The thing which you have done, it is a past. So what were you doing yesterday at this time? Now 5 AM. Now AM means morning. So 5 AM in the morning, what were you doing? I hope that most of you were sleeping. So just write down here with pencil that what were you doing yesterday at this time. Then 9 AM. 9 AM we all do breakfast. So just write down here what were you doing yesterday. 2 PM we do our lunch. But I don't know what you were doing. So just write down what you were doing yesterday at this time. Then 6 PM. 6 PM means evening time. We all play or we go for a walk or we do cycling. Whatever you were doing, just write down that here. Then 10 PM. 10 PM means night time. So we sleep at this time. Then 1 AM. That is also sleeping time, but you can write down that what you were doing yesterday at this time. Now, let's read question number 2. Write the time in AM or PM. Now, jogging in the morning. At what time we jog in the morning? 6:30 AM. That is the jogging time or walking time. Then having breakfast. Write down your time. That at what time you do your breakfast, but for breakfast we always use AM because that is morning time. Then having lunch at 2:30. Now 2:30, this is afternoon time, so we use 2:30 PM. We use always PM with this. Then playing in the evening. Evening time also we use PM. You need to write down time over here, that what time you play in the evening, but use PM with that. Then sleeping at night 10 o'clock. Yes, with 10, what will we use? AM or PM? It is night. Yes, we will use PM. Then brushing teeth before going to bed. When you go to bed? At night only. So what will you use? You will write down PM with that time also. Then praying to God in the evening, and evening time is also used as PM. So just write down time with this. Okay, because I don't know at what time you pray to God in the evening, at what time you brush before going to bed. So just write down time over here. Just keep one thing in mind, children, that AM is a morning time and PM is the evening time. So finish worksheet 5 very neatly with pencil and read this page number 76 thoroughly.